Tata Steel, which has enjoyed low-cost production for 100 years due to captive raw materials, is once again looking to head towards it despite the Corus acquisition. And Tata Steel is on the lookout for more mines. ET Now's Nisha Poddar joins us with more details on that.
Tata Steel is indeed looking for more mining reserves, is hunting for it across the globe, especially in the areas like North America, South America and Africa. Tata Steel is already in talks with various mine owners to either make strategic investment or buy into the mining reserves. Now this is part of their overall strategy to have over 50% of captive raw materials, that is iron ore as well as coking coal, which are the key ingredients for steel making, by the year 2013. Earlier it was said at 2012, but due to global recession they have delayed it by 1 year. So already Tata Steel is in talks with various players and something could come out anytime soon. Now also talking about the overall strategy, we know that in Tata Steel India they already have 100% iron ore reserves captive for Indian operations, which produces 6.8 million tons of steel and 50% of coking coal reserves. But Corus does not have its own captive reserves, and that's where Tata Steel is right now working on to bring down their cost of production. But one more concern going forward is that buying into iron ore reserves and coking coal reserves will also require a lot of cash, and Tata Steel already has over $9 billion of loans on its books, which it has to repay over next few years for Corus acquisition, and both are expected to go hand in hand. All this was shared by the Managing Director of Tata Steel, H.M. Nerurkar.
Totally, we are talking to more people, we are looking at many opportunities, and as and when they come to some step, we will definitely talk about it. If you look from India, certain geographies may not be attractive, but if you look from Corus point of view, certain geographies are more attractive. So we are open to all, North America, South Africa, Africa. So we are okay for both the geographies from both the steel plants.